Hi. Hi, I'm Lori Irwin from Edina Realty. This is my first live with YouTube, so hopefully you'll have patience with me. Just wanted to discuss, kind of give you some education about Lakeshore property. Today is January 31st, 2023. And it's that time of year. We're so glad to be done with January and we're ready to move on and start thinking about lakeshore property. And what is the definition of lakeshore property? Means different things to different people, but I can read you what the dictionary says. It says lakefront property means property or area of land which is immediately adjacent to the water and having direct access to a natural or man-made waterway. Well, that's kind of a broad definition, but what lakeshore property means to so many people is different. What it means to us and our family is just a really fun memory for all our children. We have 3, and they love the lake. We love taking them tubing, and they're all grown now. So now we get to take the grandkids tubing, and we're making lifelong memories. And wanted to talk about what does lakeshore property, why should you buy lakeshore property, or what should you do first? And first would be to research the lake. And Minnesota, as everyone knows, we're land of 10,000 plus lakes. So there's a lot of different lakes. They're different sizes. They can be used for different things. Some are recreational lakes. Some are just, lakes that you're just going to want to use your paddleboard or your kayak to just have a good time with that. We get a lot of requests for lakeshore property in Minnesota. And number one, like I say, you should research the lake. What kind of lake do you want? What do you want to do on the lake? Many times people say they want privacy. They're looking for privacy on the lake. Well, there's not a lot of privacy on the lake. That's not really why people are there. And many times properties will get very close together because they're trying to get as much land, make most use of that land as they can to get as many lakeshore properties as possible. So many times it is very crowded. It can be crowded. So these are things all to consider. Are you looking where you want to swim? Do you want to fish? Do you just want to take a pontoon? Do you want a beach? Is a higher elevation okay? Or do you need something level? I mean, there's a big difference in price between when you're looking at properties with a higher elevation versus a level lot. That really can determine the price. And when you're looking for lake property and deciding what to buy, you should go to the DNR website. Check it out. It's called Lake Finder, and you can put in a county. Most people like to stay around 2.5 hours from where they live so they can get there easily and use it often. Good resource is the Lake Finder from DNR. And you just go in there and you put in maybe the county, or maybe you're familiar with the lake. Many times people have friends on different lakes, so that's what they're interested in, being on the same lake as they are. There's such a difference in water quality, and whether it's a 500-acre lake or more or less, all makes a difference on what you can do on that lake. So if you're interested in getting more information about lakeshore property, and it's not a quick decision. People can take years to decide to find that right property. And sometimes they people haven't looked at enough, so they know it was a good deal, and then they let that good one get away. So don't let that be you. If you want to make this year be a fun year for your family and to all get together at the lake, because I can assure you there are so many great memories to be had at the lake. Just give me a call and I'd be happy to help you. Again, it's Lori Irwin, Edina Realty, and you can reach me at 320-761-9246. Thanks for watching.